Welcome to Ram Ranch, where I buy broken garbage off Craigslist and try to sell it before my rent is due. This month, I bought a 12-valve Cummins with a misdiagnosed transmission and no maintenance since I don't know when. I fixed the transmission leak, it's fine. The motor, on the other hand, I have no idea yet. I'll throw grid heater relays in it, show you how to adjust the valves, but right now, it doesn't even really want to start. Mind you, it's about zero in the shop, and this thing hasn't been touched in forever. We're just gonna have to see what we find, but I ordered a whole schwack of parts. 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 I can't even remember what I ordered for this. Washer pump? Well, if I ordered it, it probably needs it. There's a picture of a ball joint, but I'm pretty sure... Oh, that's a sway bar link. I'm pretty sure it's a typo. Well, you owe me $14. Where's my magnet? That's the only part that really matters. There it is. What do we get? What do we get? What do we get? Sick. Sick. This was $8. And for dopamine's sake, that's going in first. They did give me two. Sick. I'm just gonna go ahead and show you the bread and butter of this thing. We're gonna get the valve covers off it and go straight into making adjustments. We'll move. I guess for those of you who haven't been in here before, this is an exciting day. Look at that. Kind of see the inner workings of the whole thing once you're in here. 12 of those, intake exhaust. 10 thou, 20 thou. That is standard Cummins clearance for any 5.9, 6.7. If you're lucky, you get a good belt, good tensioner. 7/8 socket on the alternator, you'll be able to turn the motor over. What we're going for to know, number one, is a top dead center. These two have to be on crossover. So you're gonna see one's open and started to close, and then the other one's gonna open and start to close. I'll kind of show you that a little bit better when we get in there. But first we gotta get in on our crank bolt down there. It's a 15 mil, I use a deep socket on either 3/8 or 1/2 inch drive. Turn the motor over and you'll see what I mean. Now our intake and exhaust are one. We're good to go. Now this already is amazing. The clearance on the exhaust is absolutely excessive. That looks like it's close to 50 thou. Like that's more than double spec. And the intake, same thing.
It's as black as it can be. Black tea.
Oh my god. Oh my god. I hate it. Well, that's not good. And you. I shit you not. That was supposed to be a joke. Who did this to you? You didn't deserve this. 12 valves is super easy. 14 mil on a flathead. You want to crack free. The nut's what locks it, and then the flathead is the adjuster for the push rod. And turning that inwards is going to decrease the clearance on the tip. Turning that outwards counterclockwise will increase the clearance. So just keep that in mind, and when you go and you tighten down on the wrench, it's going to go and throw the whole thing off. So you're going to be back and forth a couple times just to get it all situated. Once you've got your clearance, I would go and do the exhaust side. Just come back, double check it. Every time I come back and double check it, especially on a motor I'm unfamiliar with, I end up having to adjust it another time, another 2 times, whatever. It doesn't matter. As long as you get it right and you know it can leave and be proper, it doesn't matter how long it takes. Just do it right. Who did this to you? Oh, you're bad people. So adjust the intake side first, try it out. If the feeling gauge feels loose, try an 11. If 11 fits, tighten up some more. Move to the exhaust side, same thing with 20 thou. 21 fits, tighten it up some more. Feeling gauges are super accurate, it's amazing. So just go back and forth till you get the hang of it. I'll leave that in there. Counter hold. And snug it down. Torque spec on that is not a lot. So 1, 2, and 4 intake are all done right now, and you do 1, 3, and 5 exhaust. And then we're going to do the other 6 that are remaining. So here's hoping I got that good enough that makes sense now, hitting crossover. So we're going to do 3, 5, and 6 for the intake, 2, 4, and 6 for the exhaust now. And again, 10, 20 thou, just like always. Remove this from the crank. Do not forget. running way better already. So yeah, just clean up where all your valve cover gaskets go, and then you're gonna want to replace all those. Yeah, full set. Get them off Rock Auto. They're like $10 for a set compared to $10 each. And you're done.
From you right now, you tell me from underneath your breath, said I don't make you feel good.